What's up? In the words of Mr. Larry, YouTube. Oh man, listen, this is part 2 of the Epperson Lagoon. This is part 2. Man, I had to give y'all a little teaser. Yeah, so I gave y'all the first one, right? Alright. And then I posted a whole nother video and purposely now giving y'all this one. Yes. Oh man. So this is part 2, y'all. This is the end part before I got back. This is really a nice new community. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, this was definitely worth building, and like, whoever thought of this, they need to go to the Hall of Fame. Cause yes, this was beautiful. This was beautiful. I enjoyed this flight to the fullest. I enjoy all of this. Something about flying drones, I can't explain it. Like, I can't pinpoint it. All I know is you just get a very, very different perspective from the sky. It really puts everything into perspective. It really does. And it's just so relieving. It just feels so good. It really does. But nevertheless, look at this, y'all. Just look at this. They got a whole pool. Oh man. Y'all got to go out here. Y'all just got to go out here. If you're a photographer, bring your butts out here. If you're a drone pilot, bring your butts out here. If you got a big old family or a family, or just want to just get out and about, bring your butts out here. You will enjoy yourself. It's a lot to do. Summer splash. Yep. Well, the end of summer, because school starts in a couple weeks anyways. So, but yeah, this is beautiful. That turquoise water. And yes, before you ask, I am flying the Autel EVO Lite Plus. You heard me? That's my baby. I purposely did that because everybody love flying DJI drones, which is cool because they are the best. But yeah, so I had to be the black sheep of drone pilots and fly the second best. Make sure y'all hit that like button, alright? Make sure y'all hit that like button. I know it's hard to remember, but hit that like button, please. Thank you. And I appreciate it. Man. But I want to come out here so I can get, I don't know if that's a food tent where you order your food and they bring it to you or what. But I want to come out here one weekend and, experience all of this. And of course, while I'm experiencing it, I am bringing my drone, so that way I can, oh, Marquise is actually in the water. Yes. So, but yeah, I'm gonna be safe though, cause I can't afford for my drone to go back to the drone hospital again, cause that was a long 1 month wait. So I can't do that again. I'm gonna make sure I be safe. Oh man. But yeah, I want to do the kayak thing. Yes. The standing board, which I've never done before. I want to do that. I've kayaked before, but never the standing board. I'm probably saying it wrong. Correct me in the comments. But yeah, I want to experience this. So, yeah, this definitely was a beautiful day. A beautiful day with the Drone Bandits that I'm now a part of. Yes, so excited to finally have a local drone group that I can be a part of. Love it. So, and I got some photos that's coming next after this, and then the video will be over. But again, I have more footage coming. The next photo, not photo, but the next video I'll be doing is of the crates, which I've never heard of before until last weekend. So y'all will be getting that too. Thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it.